Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned. In Biafra breaking news media, I bring the news to you how it happened, the importance and implications with regards to politics, security, education, culture and other perspectives. This video is about the crisis in Ibadan which I reported in this channel day before yesterday. As at yesterday by 11 p.m. The crisis was still very much intensified. And up till yesterday morning, afternoon and evening, the clash got out of hand that Ametekun has to come in to ensure that they push back the Janjaweeds, the Fulani terrorists that are terrorizing the indigenous people of Ibadan. Along the line, the police in their complicit manner involved and even aided the burning of Ametekun vehicles and killing of 2 Ametekun members. As of today, report has it that 10 persons died and 30 persons injured with gunshots, with other damages including the burning of shops and other properties in the Shasha market area within Akinyele Local Government Area. Take your time to watch to the end all the video and pictorial events and evidences of both the crash and damages. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button to stay tuned whenever I post a new video, and also share your views and suggestions in the comment section.
Can you see the Usas running? They are running for their life.
Eré ìṣeré o, ó lọ fà o, àjà lélẹ̀ rẹ̀ sùn yìí o. Àjà rẹ̀ sùn yìí o, ṣọ́ọ̀bù bàbí lélẹ̀ o. Ibi tí nẹ́tíwọ̀kì wà lélẹ̀ o.
See war for the jar. See everywhere. See war everywhere don't turn blue. See war. Wọ́n bọ̀ lẹ́yìn o. Wọ́n pọ̀ gan lẹ́yìn o. Ẹ má bọ̀ àwọn kẹ̀kí ló tẹ̀. Yorùbá ni wá, 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 Yorùbá ni wá. Ẹ̀gbọ́n Yorùbá ni wá, Yorùbá ni wá, Yorùbá ni wá, Yorùbá ni wá. Esto. A la cabeza. Ese.